Simon, usually on your way. On Kiss 92, 4 to 8 p.m. on weekdays. We'll be here later to take over from 5 p.m. onwards. So make sure you come around and say hi to us. Maybe you might have some goodies for you as well here at our Kiss 92 too. Now the music is the likes of Charlie Bird.
Oh, good.
Hey there, everyone. It's me, Lavinia Tom, once again from 1FM 91.3. All right, and I'm here with a familiar face, David. And he is the general manager of marketing from Mazda. That's right, I'm right now here at the Mazda booth. And a lot of exciting things are happening for Mazda, including a lot of Mazda and happening very soon. It's a very critical, really exciting partnership. David, tell us about it.
So we're going to see a lot of big names coming in. They will be in this car.
Yes, they will be.
Ooh, you were telling us there's a whole fleet that is dedicated to making sure that the athletes, the officials, all the way to the various events,
to have to see here. Very importantly for the driver function.
ba mươi cấu chín này.
Oh, you know what? I think you're just saying what's on everyone's mind. It's not just on yours, it is the 6 year. So, definitely great car models to check out. But also, deals-wise, could you share with us about all that you have going on? And I do believe these are deals, again, exclusive to this weekend at the Car Expo.
That's right. So, you get special deal. This is for the next review. And before our taxes now. So, you can come from
So we might end up with 2 new cars.
yeah, that's right.
Oh gosh. Oh, okay, say no more. I think this is the booth we need to visit. Your chance to also win a brand new Mazda as well. This is part of their lucky draw that is happening here. And I think it just keeps on eBay.
छत में 2-3 हजार अगर करें
Joshua Simon's going to join later to take over from 5 to 8 p.m. today. Come on down and grab a copy of the Car Expo 2024 print supplement as well. Street times, business times, and the end of
अपनी कंफर्ट फीलिंग क्यों आ रही है
After you drop on
Hey there, everyone. Once again, huge welcome to the Car Expo Global Edition here in here. Very gorgeous car. And here to find out more, first of all, about this collection driving you out this car that is parked here. It's beautiful.
So what we have is the engine side of stuff. It's Singapore's first all-electric roadster. It's on display here for a limited time, so swing by, take a look. It goes from 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds.
No way! How good! So I could actually buy this car and drive this car on our roads.
You could potentially
Really, I tell you, this is a gorgeous car, and it's called, what is this? What are these car doors methods? They're known as the skull wing doors. You know, what I do notice is that anyone who is walking past the energy, they stop running their tracks, and they it's like, they
There's a Mini Cooper Uncle Michael driving.
Celebration, that's what I feel. All right, we definitely have something happening. For the first time that we're celebrating in Singapore, we're offering a 10-year battery warranty.
10 years!
10 years,
Oh,
yes.
that is really going to give a lot of assurance to new car owners and everything new car.
Very special Yes, it has some of the zippiest drives in town.
Oh, I like that word, zippy. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's actually bigger than a typical hatchback, so don't worry about size.
So space does matter, and you're gonna get it with this particular model from MG as well.
Yeah,
The guy
that size matters.
That guy just went in with his umbrella and all, and he fits so comfortably in the driver's seat. I believe you, it is a very spacious car.
We have a neighbor who fits 2 huskies and more into the car.
Really? Those are
Yeah, so going to say.
Yeah, you can put that aside. Fits 2 huskies and more.
Alrighty, we also have a lot of great deals that are happening here in the local branch.
So definitely this is the time and the place to check out the MG cars as well. Okay, and also really when you're here, look, more cameras coming out to take photos. Don't be shy, sweetheart. Take those photos of this beautiful car. Once again, the model, the MG Cybersun. You know, the name itself already makes me feel cooler. Just saying it makes me, I feel like my coolness has just been elevated 10,000 points. So definitely come and check out all those cars and more. Remember the great deal of free 10-year battery warranty for their EV cars. It makes deciding to buy an MG all the more easier. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. Thank you.
Takashimaya Film Fest right now.
All the great songs in one place.
Santa Fe. Hah?
how's it going over here at the Car Expo? It's limited time. The Car Expo DJ will take you through 2 very exciting days here at the October edition. And right now, I find myself over at the Honda booth. And I can tell you this, I'm going to run through all the great discounts they have exclusive to the Car Expo.
A little bit lower. Yeah, but basically both F1.
Oh wow! Okay, so definitely, most are looking for that Cat A car. So it's all about great choice. There's available here at Honda when it comes to Cat A hybrid cars. Now, what I really love at Honda is it's very clear about the, as it states there, remarkable wheels, unbeatable wheels that they have. They've come up with this whole range of goodies for you to jump on board when you buy a Honda car. And these are deals only for the Car Expo. It's all there on their back wall. That is very clever of you. So everyone, when you come on down to the Honda booth, you will know about all the great deals that they have on offer. $5,900 discount for all Honda models. We also have complimentary servicing. And get this, this is one to highlight. Low interest rate that start with just 2.6%. Also, 86 months road tax and $100 insurance subsidy. Income guarantee. We open for all Honda models. And also, we're still looking for the sugar prize. That will get everyone's talking on there because I think we're going to see some winners in just a bit. And also, we've got the 5 years unlimited mileage warranty that I spoke about earlier as well. 10 years battery warranty for the HEV models. That's spectacular. And also your last chance to enjoy $5,000 VEF rebate. This is for all HEV models. $1,000 while stocks last. And even if you don't buy a car, the first 50 shoppers daily will receive a $10 SPC cash voucher with a minimum purchase of $80 on car accessories and single receipts.